Bismillah Rahman Rahim. The video has been uploaded on the 24th of August 2023, the last hope for patients. Oh God, in your name, how are you? Every one of these jobs that has told a sister in an interview on Aaj TV that how do you treat terminally ill patients was Ben's question that his father, Grammy, who was lying on top of the last 4 pies. And they are suffering from epileptic seizures. Sheikh Al-Joseph says that the friends who read this wazifa with attention, God willing, the type of illness and disorder keeps going away from the servant and from home. The sister has also told that the dear father, it has been some time since he was bedridden due to illness and the wounds on his body have also started. You have to recite one tasbih and you have to keep reciting the same process while walking. Listen to what the process is and what is playing in front of the screen is the pattern of the same process. There are also marks in the arm and sprinkle it in the water of the patient. Pour water again and again. And share this with your friends. Such good scholarships of Sheikh Al-Joseph will continue to reach you. You will continue to benefit. Here is the scholarship. At the top of the prayer, perform ablution and recite Darud Pak once. After that, you should recite one tasbih of this wazifa, and then you should recite Darud Pak and pray for the sick person. What the incurable doctors have done, they are waiting for death at home. This is the wazifa, departure is this.